Please welcome to a glorious food tent with James Grant.
Top 20 delis to dine in the UK.
The carrot top pesto, the banana ketchup, and a beetroot sauerkraut.
Hop an aisle over and you'll find Paula there. Cheers. Go and check out Margot, very easy spot.
Wrap it in phyllo pastry, deep fry it, or put it in the oven.
Your packaging is gorgeous. It's natural,
Yep.
it's pure,
Yep.
it's...
We didn't want to make it beige, we wanted to make it sort of bright and cheerful and
So please welcome Kate Clark.
I really care about sourcing locally, and that's how the candles were born.
5 minutes and we can swap over.
Please welcome James McCall.
Forge farm down in Dorchester make a lot of cheddars for me, and I do all the maturing to them.
Essentially, it's a commercial kitchen.
Those of us who can support the fishing industry, I think it's our sort of duty almost to do it.
It's a wave on the honeycombers down. Give her a wave back. There we go.
Good fruity mid-palate. It's a very rewarding honey.
Starting to rediscover and love proper artisan cheese.
Yeah.
And the three of us have been talking about starting a business together.
Your first gin, which you launched in lockdown year. With skillful curing, you end up with really superb charcuterie, which is where you come in. Come and join us here in the glorious food tent.
So I think sometimes you need to live with the garden for a while, just decide what you like.